So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals that allow cats here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and press on the rent tab right here. Select your city. I'll use New York City for this example, and then press on search. Now once you're here, I want you to go to this top bar where it says filters, and then I want you to scroll down to where it says pets. So where it says cats allowed, obviously go ahead and make sure that pets allowed is checked off. And then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings here, rental listings that offer cats, or I guess that allow cats for you to rent at that building. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find rentals that allow cats here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.